Hello and welcome to Excel Breakout Puzzle 4. My name's Jeff. I'm glad you're here. Let's just jump right in. You ever play Sudoku? Yeah? Yeah, my family loves this game. In fact, last week we had a whole family Sudoku competition. How did it work? I photocopied the same puzzle, handed it out to everyone, and started the timer. On your marks, get set, go. Who won? Not me. I'd gotten like 5 squares done and my daughter was like, done. So we passed out some more puzzles. She's like, done, done, done. All day long, she just crushed it. She's amazing at this game. Anyway, the way that you play is you have to use numbers 1 through 9 in every row, every column, and every block, and they can't overlap. And so I use that competition as an inspiration for this breakout puzzle. You ready? All right, let's just try this one together. We need a 1, 2, 3. We need a 4. And a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we need a 4 and a 5. Okay. Let's see. So if we look down here and we look, so 4 can't be here. So this must be a 5 and this must be a 4. And you can see why I didn't win the competition. Anyway, this one here, this is more my speed. This one needs to be a 1. Easy. So look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need a 6 and a 9. Okay. 6s can't be there. This must be a 9. That means this must be a 6. Let's take a look at this one. We need a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we need a 2 and a 7, right? 7s can't be here, so this must be the 2. Interesting. That cell just turned green. I wonder if that means anything. Yes, of course, it means we're getting closer to getting the key. And so that means this one must be the 7. If we look at this block, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. We need a 5, 6, and an 8. 5 and an 8. 8 can't be here, so this must be the 5. This must be the 8. So look at this one. We need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we need a 1 and a 2. 1 can't be here, so this must be the 2. And this must be the 1. Let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3. We need a 4, 5, 6, and a 7, right? 4 and a 7? Okay. 7 can't be here. This must be 4. That means this must be 7. Let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need a 4 and an 8. 4 can't be here. This must be the 8. This must be the 4. Ah, another green cell. Good. Let's take a look at this one. We need a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we need a 2, 3, 7. Okay. 2 and 3 can't be here, so this must be 7. If we look at this one, 2 is here, so this one must be the 3. Another green cell. Good. That means this must be a 2 and another green cell. Very good. So we did it. We got the key by solving this puzzle. The key is 2, 2, 3, 4. Let's move to step 2. Okay, so step 2 here. I was looking for a cool image to use for this breakout puzzle. And so I went to one of my favorite sites, which is Wiki Commons. If you haven't been there, it's a great source for public domain images and stuff like that. And so I searched for manuscript, and you know what this image here is? This is part of Luke 5:26. Pretty cool, right? I know. So now let's type in the key. The key is 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's type it in. 2, 2, 3, 4. We got it. The code is CIBN. Or at least those are the closest to the English letters here as we can do here. So CIBN is the code. Hey, listen, I love putting these puzzles together. I have so much fun putting them together. And I hope that you enjoyed this one, Breakout Puzzle 4. Thanks. Have a great day.
This video is a production of Excel University.